Hi, I'm Kyle with Timilon. We're the manufacturer of EnviroCleanse products. These are great products for people dealing with multiple chemical sensitivities. And one of the things you really want to do is if you have a chemical incident in your home, you want to get rid of it and neutralize it as quickly as possible. One of the best products for that is our EnviroCleanse Odor Neutralizer Granules. This can be used on a wide variety of things, from cleaning up pet urine to soaking up more harsher chemicals or cleaning agents that you may have around the home. This is a granular based product, so it's very simple, easy to use. Apply it to the spill, soak it up, it'll neutralize it, eliminate those odors, clean it up with a dustpan, and dispose of it. Thank you.